See this? It's a grass door opener. If you hit this long button right here, it opens a grass door. But you don't want to do that unless you're going to open a grass door. It's that simple. Just use it for a grass door. Don't use it for a popcorn maker. A grass door.